Hello, viewers. Today we'll guide you through the process of creating a Zoom account, an essential tool for virtual meetings and communication. Whether you're new to Zoom or looking to set up a new account, this comprehensive tutorial will help you get started. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the official Zoom website, or download and install Zoom app from Google Play Store. On the Zoom homepage, locate and click on the Sign Up It's Free button. This will initiate the account creation process. Provide a valid email address that you have access to. This email will be used for communication and account verification purposes. Fill out the required information, including your first and last name, and create a strong password for your Zoom account. Ensure the password meets the specified security criteria. Follow any additional prompts to confirm your account and set up your profile. Now that your account is set up, take a moment to explore Zoom's features. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, settings, and scheduling options to make the most out of your virtual meetings. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Zoom account. Whether for work or personal use, Zoom provides a powerful platform for virtual collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tech-related guides. Thank you for watching.